Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Welcome Baby gift set. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this gift set and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is the gift set right here. First off, you'll notice this nice large gift bag right here that says Welcome Baby and has a lot of different animals here and designs on the front. The same for the back as well, as it is double-sided here. It is nice and wide, which I really like a lot, and it does feel really nice and high quality, very sturdy, just overall a very nice high quality gift bag. There are two kind of ribbon style handles up there at the top, and then it also comes with a card here that matches the bag, which I thought was really nice. It is a horizontal fold card, so you can go ahead and open it up, and it is blank on the inside. You can go ahead and fill it out, which is super nice. And then just to top it all off, they do include some tissue paper here to go ahead and stuff in the bag. Once you put the gift in and you want to kind of wrap it, you can go ahead and stuff that tissue paper in, and it looks really nice. Overall, I've been really impressed with this little gift set and gift bag. I think it's really nice and high quality. I think the design also is really nice and can be applicable to a lot of situations, and I really do enjoy this gift set, and for that reason, I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.